Okay, so here is how to use named. So first of all, we create a model, right? So let's say model 1. Let's say store 1. Store 1 equals types model, and we'll give it something simple like name, and let's say yes. Okay, let's say David, whatever, David, right? Now for Mobx we need to create an instance which is gonna be const my store equals store1 create. Let's do name. Blah. Now we know that every model usually has a name, so that's we call this, I don't know, whatever, name 1. Now when we are creating an instance, it always has this name 1. So, but what if we want to change that name for whatever reason, right? The way to do that is const store2 equals store1 dot named, and then we call this name2. So what did Mobx do in this case? Mobx cloned this store, only changed this name here to name2. Now this is honestly completely useless because you're probably never gonna use it, but I mean, whatever, it's in the docs, it's part of understanding how the Mobx works, whatever. So now if we want to use store2, we need to create an instance of it, right? So const my store2 equals store2 create, and then we're gonna call name blah2. So we effectively cloned this one and just gave it name2, and that's it. It's confusing, I know, but you'll see that it works, right? So we want to get snapshot of my store. So my store should show us blah, right? So it's showing blah. Now my store2, which is this one here, instance is this, should show blah2. Yeah, you see? Because what happened here, again, it cloned this one, it cloned it, gave it a different name, which is name2, and then we created instance, and now this instance isn't here. Welcome to Mobx. I hope you enjoyed the stay. Take care.